So we're gonna go now with the Outcast AS. Nothing major change, just 3930. I didn't have the time to put the 32 pinion, but let's see how this big one performs in this place. And to give you guys a recap, all M2C shocks and pistons, we're gonna change this to the H.R-Rc caps. Vitabon bulkhead front and rear, we changed these rod ends from M2C. Yeah, we got the M2C ones here, and then my guy Mike Mula RC Mike, he gave me these 3D print bumpers to test it out today. And then we got the steering blocks from H.R-Rc and X-Max just passing by. So we're gonna go there and see these how this guy performs. This area is a different area. Luke still running the X-Max with paddles. Ian doing some shots. That hill looks just amazing. Let's see how the backflips doing. Okay, the other side.
Yeah, maybe. Use the momentum or the gravity, so they say.
Okay, look, you know what? Let's walk over there.
It's a together effort.
Yeah, so now we can get some shots from up there.
Oh yeah, this is my favorite part of this whole place, honestly.
Oh wow. No,
I just get to rip it up that hill, and then you come down here.
No, and guys, the thing is, us, Ian, myself, and other people, we don't know about this place, but because Luke is close to this place, so he said one day, hey, I found a construction site. So we was like, no way. Why? Because for us here, you know, in this area, you know, in New England, to find places like this one is really hard, because then the people have posted like no trespassing, no this, no that, and of course we don't want none of that. But him, he knows the owner of the place, so we don't have, if somebody comes, for sure we got Luke that he will say something. So that's why we are here without any issues. But thanks to him that he gave the okay to us to come here, and we're not made for this type of walk anymore, guys.
It's a soft band.
Oh yeah, yeah. So let's see how we can do it. Oh yeah, Outcast love it. Be careful, you don't get. If we get to the other side, what we have over there.
I don't think we want to know.
Oh wow. Okay.
Hey, you want to send it, arrows? Wow. If you just, you know, didn't care.
I didn't care. The thing is,
that's a
we don't have
60-foot drop.
We don't get a good runway. Why? Because this is not smooth enough. Because if not, believe me, I send it. I don't care. Wow.
This.
I mean, it looks tempting.
I know. I could get a sick run up too on this.
But the thing is, we don't get enough smoothness
I think I could make it
on that area.
I just don't think I would make it all the way.
I don't gonna do it, but we said that in the East Coast we're hard bashers, right? That's what we are showing the people. But I think you think a 1/5 scale will be good sending it. that.
I would do it. I would do it. I mean, it's probably definitely going to crash, but I would give it. The part that you can't see up here is that that's like a 12-foot dip down before it comes back up again. So you got to be going full clip.
Yep. We're not checking because we want to see. We're checking because we want to do it.
That's right.
So that will be a good test for Mike's 3D print bumper.
Oh, you better believe it.
So
I think we'll have to talk with Ian.
You know what? What do you think if we give it a shot just because?
Just because, 100%.
How many feet you says?
This is about 60 down, and then it goes back up another 12.
So I think, guys, we're gonna send it, see how far we go. Either we bend the chassis or we survive. Look, please move over here because this is the wrong way to see how we can do it.
Is that thing on? Because I don't want Brantley to have to miss it. He's at the truck.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
Ah, yeah!
Hey, did you make this jump, Harold?
Damn! Damn!
The best part is, if you can get down clean, now watch, this is where it happens. If you can get down clean, you can come all the way back around and come back up. Or get another run. I mean, hey, you do it once. You know what that means.
Oh, wow. I see. Trying to do the... Damn! Yes! Yes, sir!
I won't, bud.
Now is look time with the 800 X Max, so let's see.
See what I mean? Look how
See it.
Yeah, people on each side. Whoa! Nice!
Yes, sir! Yes, sir. Oh my goodness.
You come off.
Oh goodness. You got it.
Deep breath, deep breath. Woo! Gotta get us a chair out here.
You pop the tire?
No way you blew him back.
He landed it once again.
Barely cleared it. It's recording. Yep. Can't get it.
Deep breath, deep breath. Woo! Gotta get Don't break that phone. This is gonna be a good one. You're bad. Yeah, you're bad on that one. Hey, you know what? Maybe if we go on that side. Because if everybody ends up coming over this way, if we aren't split, come on, Bubba. Ready? The hill throws your truck this way every time.
As you guys can see, Outcast still in one piece after those jumps. So you guys gonna already either see it or gonna watch it on the channel. So yeah, thanks to my brother-in-law. Zero miedo. Yes, sir. Some running of this guy with what we got left from the light post, and then before it goes low. Diantre, no se ve. I don't see anything. No, estamos encajados. Yeah. So we're stuck. Let's see. We're going crazy in this side. Yo, nobody bothered. Nobody pissed off because we're doing noise or something. So yeah, we're stuck. And Outcast did 3 or 4 jumps, still going. So if you got the chance, and you can have an Outcast dial in, so that's your ticket right there. But it takes time for you to learn the car. I got a Mach 5 right now with the stock 1100, and so far so good. No cogging, no nothing. So yeah, and this guy is heavy. Oh, nos estamos quedando. Yeah. We are running low on battery. Oh. So guys, after all that beating, that Max 5 1100 just with one fan, man, it just performed amazing. 3D prim bumper from Mike Mola RC. Perfect after all those landings, and not even chassis bend, no nothing. So I have nothing wrong to say about the Outcast. It just has been amazing, this car. So yeah guys, So until then, we're gonna keep bashing here. Probably you will see another video or two, and I will catch you guys on the next one. God bless you guys. Stay safe.